Round 2. Hey! Here we go, round 2. I'm trying a different camera. Oh boy, I epically failed on this. I don't know what's going on. I don't even know if you could see me. My other camera was filming upside down. Oh, now it's all shaky. Oh man, this is the worst. I don't care, I'm putting it up anyway. Hey! 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 Hey you! Won't even look at me. Hey! Whoa, you are huge. Holy cow, man. The bald eagle's bigger?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it got in even closer. Yeah, look, you're on candid camera. You're on candid camera. Thank God for YouTube, fixed shakiness thingamajig that they got. Hello. Rack! Rack! I like when they look at you like you're stupid. Like they feel embarrassed. Look at him. He's embarrassed.
They're embarrassed that you're there.
Yeah. Rack! Come on, look at me. Look at me. That was my friend's hair for a second. Oh my god, now. Hey. Hey you. Hey you. Out there in the cold, always doing what you're told. Come on, look over here. Now he's real embarrassed. No, he's looking the other. Hey. Alright, forget it. Now I'm gonna look away, right? Hey. Oh, I got your eye now. The eye of the tiger. Holy cow, now I'm sweating. Can you even see me? I'm using this Coolpix waterproof camera.
Yeah, I see you.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna have to, you have to do with what you got for what you got. You gotta do with what you got while you got it. I don't know. What's over here? Alright. Oh, a walking stick. I shouldn't take, I guess I don't think it's anyone's stick.
No, I'll probably leave it. They may use it for the pages.
Okay, good. Good idea. Hello. Still recording? What's over here? Well, I'm gonna have to edit like crazy.
Screech owl? Ooh.
Screech
Oh,
owl?
he's right there. Oh, wait.
Where?
No, never mind, I lied.
Where? I can't see. Screech owl. Screech owl. Oh no, they don't.
He might be in his little house.
Yeah.
One of them, there's two in there.
Is there something over there? This camera is so shaky too. This is horrible.